Hey, it's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories coming from Margate, Florida. And today I'm showing you a product I don't sell. What? You'll see in a minute what I'm talking about. By the way, that is our telephone number. If you have questions, you can call the store. You can ask for our general manager, John, who's behind the camera, and he has great answers for those good questions. Also, you'll see our website. Now, I'll put our website in the bottom of this, but again, I don't sell this product, but why am I doing a video? I'll tell you in a second. Come on over here, John. What do we have? Well, we have a Jeep over here. This is a Wrangler, probably one of the most popular Jeeps out there. And what did we do? Well, we did a installation of the Barricade rack here. And I tell you, it's pretty nice. As you can see, it's bolted in here. Now, this customer did buy this online, and he needed someone to do the installation for it. And I tell you what's nice is the company bought it from, we're listed as their installer. So basically, we have a bunch of companies that sell this stuff online, and they have local installers do the products. So we can pick and choose what we want to do. They did call us and said, yeah, we've done this before, and we'd be happy to do it again. And so we did the installation. So what the video really is about is we offer installation for products bought online or bought somewhere else. Now, we don't do everything. We do pick and choose what we want to do. But it's nice because I know a lot of local companies are not offering that. So this is set up so you can call whoever you bought it from. We can do the installation for you. And again, let's go ahead and take a look what we did here. Again, it's a Barricade rack, and it's got a nice black texture finish on here, which is really sharp. And it's a lot of parts on this. So it took us a little bit of time. It's simple, but it's time consuming. And of course, a lot of people, when they get the Jeeps, they want to put stuff on top here. They want to put that, roof rack on here, and going to put all kinds of stuff for off-roading, maybe even a tent. This is a pretty strong setup here. Now, since we didn't sell the product, I do not know what the carrying weight of this product, because we are not a Barricade dealer. Not saying we wouldn't want to be, because seeing this stuff in person, it's actually really quite nice. I consider one of the nicer ones set up, and I like the texture finish. As you can see, I'm hanging on here, and now I'm not a little guy. So, and it does have spots here up front here for lights, so you want to add some lights to it. And again, you got spots in the back as well. All in all, I think it's a great setup. And again, if you didn't buy from us, that's not a problem. We can do the installation for you, just like we did with this customer with the Jeep. Again, I'm Chris with C&H Auto Accessories, doing a review of our installation on a Barricade rack on a Jeep Wrangler. And before I forget, like and subscribe. Thank you so much.